Nandito na ako nakapark sa commissary. Inaantay ko na lang si Travis. Nandito na si Daddy Kulit. Dali na! So, nagpustahan kami ni Travis. Pag sabi niya 105, you said 105 yung babayaran. I really thought it's a backpack though.
It is.
Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. Pupunta ako ngayon sa base. Imimit ko si Travis. Nasa work pa siya. Bale, magkikita kami ng mga 3:15, ganun. Magdadrive ako papunta doon. Kasi mag-grocery din kami sa commissary. And by the way, pumunta nga pala dito si Sis Jane. Nagbigay siya ng regalo para kay baby. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, sumaglit lang siya kanina. And then, binigyan ko rin siya ng Graham. Buntis rin. Buntis nga pala siya. And, manganganak na rin siya. So, good luck sis. And congrats. So excited for you. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung binigay niya regalo. Super cute nung bag. Tapos, meron siyang binigay na para siyang, pag paligwa mo yung bata, yung parang, basta papakita ko sa inyo, no? Ang hirap i-explain, char. May nagbigay nga pala sa akin ito, guys. So, si Ate Maria. Growing Little Pumpkin. And ito, bili ko to siya sa Shein. Nagustuhan ko kasi ang lambot. Tapos, pwede siyang pambuntis, oh. De garter siya. Ito yung susutin natin ngayon. Bahala na. Mukha namang diba? Okay. Char. Ayan na yung baby bump natin, guys. Magsi 6 months na. Napakabilis. Ito yung binigay niya, guys. Merong bag. Tapos, itong panligo. Para sa baby. Yan. Tapos, meron din siyang binigay na set ng ano ba yan? Panligo din. Ayan, baby bath. Tapos, lotion, body wash. Tapos, may laman yung bag. Ay. May laman yung bag. Hindi ko alam kung anong nakalagay dun sa bag eh. Tignan natin. Ito yung laman niya. Tapos, meron siyang ganito. Si Travis siguro alam niya yan. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, ito pa. Diba? Ang cute ng bag. Pang mommy talaga siya. Ayan yung tsura ng bag. Thank you ulit, Sis Jane. Maraming salamat. Siya pa talaga nagdala dito, guys. Dinrap niya dito. Kasi nga daw, baka daw manganak na siya. Hindi niya pa daw naibigay. Diba? Ayan. Salamat. At ito nga pala ang mga Christmas decoration ko, guys. Unti-unti ko na siya nga ayusin. Kasi may iba pa ata ako naiwan dun sa may shed eh. Ang dami ko talaga, guys, Christmas light. Promise. Kasi nung nag-work ako sa Walgreen. Tapos, ito yung tawag nito, snowman. Tapos, ayun yung malaki naming Santa na inflatable. Tapos, lahat yan. Pati yung mga yan. Christmas lights yan. Ayan. So, ngayon, malaki na yung paglalagyan ko ng Christmas light. Kasi nung nakaraan sa apartment, wala masyado, no? Tapos ito, Christmas lights din yan. Tapos Christmas lights. Ayan. Tapos ano ba yan? Light up candy cane. Tapos ayan, yung malaking candy cane. So, super excited na akong ilikabit to, guys. Papatulong ako kay Travis. Maghihi ka? Maghihi ikaw? Dali, magalis si mami ha. Bilisan mo. Okay, guys. Alis na ako. Medyo traffic ngayon. Kaya, hindi ko alam sana makaano ko kasi 3:15 ata kami magkita. Wala, baka late na ako. Magalit na naman yung si Travis. So, yun guys. We'll see you later.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. Nandito na ako nakapark sa commissary. Inaantay ko na lang si Travis. Kalalabas niya lang daw galing work. Alas 3 na ngayon. Alas 3 na ng hapon. Sobrang busy pala talaga sa no. Sobrang busy pala talaga pag gantong oras, lalo pag weekdays. Kasi nga, may pasok ang mga bata sa school, tapos labasan nila ng gantong oras, tapos labasan din ng mga nagtatrabaho, diba? So, antayin natin si Travis. Dito na si Daddy Kulit. Dali na! Hindi ko nakita na... Hindi ko siya nakita. Tara, mamalengke na tayo, guys. Tayo yung mamalengke. Naihi na naman ako ba? Ang dami nilang gatas, guys. Carnation, condensed, at iba. Kumuha na rin ako. Bibili lang kami ng mga kailangan namin dito. Dami niyang pinagbibili nito. Para daw sa work niya. Ewan ko, gustong-gusto niya yung snack na yan. Ito yung nabili namin, guys. Di pa kami tapos.
Water.
Hehehe.
Oh, hi, Miss Grumpy.
I'm not.
Always grumpy.
Dito tayo sa pancake. Ayan yung pancake na lagi ginagamit ni Travis noon.
I don't like that. Where's the pancake?
That's cereal. That's not pancake, babe.
Let's just grab the cheaper stuff.
You don't like the other one?
Oh, why don't we try this? Look.
Oh, yeah.
And waffle mix, and it's 15 grams of protein.
Grab
Hang on, it's just add water.
3, yeah.
You eat a lot of this.
No. You eat a lot of them. So, ito na, guys. Bread na lang yung kailangan namin. Tinapay. Ayun. Tapos, pauwi na kami. Mag-check out na kami. Alright, tapos na kami. They're close. Bayad na tayo, guys. Are they close? So, nagpustahan kami ni Travis. Pag sabi niya 105, you said 105 yung babayaran?
Yeah, 103.
Sabi ko mga 120. Pag over ng 103, so tama ako. Over siya ng 1 ano. Kasi 120 sinabi ko. So, he's gonna treat me a smoothie later.
Yeah, but you only get a small.
No. Pauwi na kami, guys. Sa CRB na lang niya ilalagay yung mga grocery.
Babe, did you unlock it?
I will. I can unlock it for you, babe. Of course.
Yeah, go ahead. You unlock it.
No.
I'm just gonna put it on the seat.
Okay. Alright. Pauwi na kami, guys. We'll see you. Nakauwi na kami, guys. And tinignan ni Travis yung... Ay, ano? Oh, hindi siya backpack. Wala, akala ko backpack.
Look, it's so when you go out and you have a backpack, it's a... Yeah, it's where they can lay.
I really thought it's a backpack, though.
It is. It comes in a backpack.
Oh, that's cool.
And then you also have
That's nice.
this that I bet you somehow, I don't know, I haven't figured
Galing
it.
naman. Akala ko talaga ano siya, backpack.
So this covers them.
Yeah.
But it has the pad
Right.
for inside of it. And then this,
Oh, I see.
I don't know if it goes there. Let me see here.
Maybe there's something. Oh, right here. Yep, right there.
Yep. So this, oh, I see.
Yeah.
And then what you do,
Cute.
hang on a second. This is a pretty good idea. And then this goes over it. And that's what gives it its structure.
We might need something to bring to when we go camping, right?
So like, yeah, so like, say you go to like a football game or
Yeah.
you want to go watch fireworks,
Yeah.
you can put the baby in this and then check it out. I'm going to undo it.
Yeah.
So watch, then this comes off.
Ang galing ah. Akala ko talaga bag siya, guys.
Hang on, let me see how fast I can do it. So then you just fold this back up,
Yeah.
take this out. Hang on a second. This folds up, put that in there.
Oh, nice.
That collapses. I mean, it's a really cute idea.
Yeah.
That collapses. This,
I really thought it's a bag.
so this comes back together.
Oh, but it's still a bag. You can still put something.
But that's what I'm saying. It's a backpack.
Yeah.
So look at this. Then this goes here. I can't see it. Let me see. So you put this back in here.
And then zip it. That's kind of cool. Ayun yung mga binigay niya kanina.
And then this just goes back in here.
Yeah. Nice.
And then here.
Galing ah. Galing ah. Ang galing ni Daddy Kinsley ah. Galing ah.
And
You
then
excited?
And then look.
You excited to see your baby girl, your sister.
And then I know. You have the.
Galing.
I know.
Galing ah. Ayun pala yun. Nakala ko talaga kung ano.
I mean, that's a pretty cool idea.
Yeah.
I mean,
That's nice.
Like if you want to go out or if you're at the beach,
Yeah.
you just bring it with
Yeah,
you
exactly.
and open it.
But you can still put the milk or
Well, 'cause you
diapers.
still have a whole separate area for that
Right.
stuff. So this top part is for the backpack.
Yeah.
And then you can still put things in here, but this is what collapses out.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
I think those are expensive.
I mean, it's a great gift idea.
Yeah.
I think we could definitely use it going to the beach or
And
even
camping.
Yeah, even camping or whatever. Like, because it's kind of a neat idea. It's quick. It's
Akala ni Kinsley sa kanya. That's not yours.
pretty cool, huh?
It's not yours.
Cool, huh? High five if it's cool. Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah. It's
One more
cool,
time.
Huh? Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah, huh? Yeah.
Good girl. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye.